Thank you very much, yeah. Thank you. Thanks for that. Pretty good, yeah.
He's got a lot more to go.
Chipotle, yeah. Hello everyone at Luke Rides. Luke Rides is back because he's going to be on a very big adventure. So let's see what that adventure could be, and let's get into it. Yeah.
It's showtime.
Hello everyone at Luke Rides. So this year Luke Rides has not travelled. I'm going to see the British SuperBikes go racing and see Kawasaki Ducati BMW Yamaha Honda go racing with their latest race bikes, latest SuperBikes this year. But Luke Rides went into competition, and against many other people competing for the same competition, Luke Rides won tickets to Oulton Park, the latest round of British SuperBikes, which is well amazing. At the moment, let's bring it up really on Google. British SuperBikes. So Oulton Park. Oulton Park. Did you know it's called Oulton Park? Yeah. What we're doing, so this is round 2 of British SuperBikes, round 2, where you're going to be seeing Kawasaki, Ducati, BMW, Yamaha, Honda, all fighting it out against each other. And Luke Rides won weekend tickets to go and see them, to go and support the racing, to go and support Kawasaki, and to go and film and see what it's going to be like at British SuperBikes as the racing takes place. Luke Rides is it's going to be a long journey to get there. It's going to be a long journey, but it's a journey that's worthwhile. It's really worth doing. We're going to be taking the BMW 335i, which is a junior supercar, so we're going to have lots of torque, lots of power, and the BMW is very good. It's like a Grand Tourer. You can just absolutely cross counties, and if you wanted to, cross countries in that 3 Series in comfort and luxury, and yet have a very powerful engine that you can go very, very fast while doing it. So it's an epic machine, and BMW, lovely. And so we're going to be taking that. Luke Rides is going to be there for the full 3 days of Oulton Park round 2, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. We're going to get as much filming as we can in there. We're going to do as much social media as we can. It's definitely going to drain the battery on Luke Rides' smartphone, but he's prepped the smartphone, so he's prepped his Apple phone to have lots of storage ready for the Superbike racing, and it's going to be quite interesting. And Oulton Park is quite a nice circuit, so on Oulton Park you can get some very cool views of seeing the Superbikes barreling down the straights, and you've got several different corners to get some good viewing angles on, so it's going to be quite an adventure. It's an adventure worth doing. So yeah, this video is not about look at Luke Rides. He's a big star. Oh my God, he's won tickets on the best. It's not like that. It's just to let you all know what's happening. And yeah, we're going to be going to Oulton Park, where we're going to see the Kawasaki's bang 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 down the straights. We're going to see the Ducatis, the BMWs. We're going to see Yamaha. We're going to see all sorts of different brands, probably even Aprilia. And you've got all these different countries. You've got Japan, Germany, Italy, fighting it out on the circuit. And having weekend tickets means that we can go and explore some pretty decent areas. at Oulton Park, and it's just a matter of pacing ourselves and getting a nice mix of YouTube content, but also getting the odd video out of social media out there. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. We've got to do it, got to go racing, and so that's the plan. So thanks for watching, yeah. Really barking, yeah. Hero just has to go. You chill. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. We got the coffee, of course, and we need to drink the coffee. It's very good. The coffee is very good. It's like super. Yeah, very good, yeah. More adventure it's gonna be. So yeah. Thanks for watching.
The way we...
The little rascal has spirit. Has water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
Andrew Crow's doing his signature. No, the coffee! Oh, coffee!